Hi, welcome back. Here is challenge 4. Try to write a program to check whether a number is prime or not. Prime number is a number divided by 1 or itself. Here are some of the examples. Let me explain the logic in short. In first step you have to take a number. In the second step divide the number from 2 to number minus 1 because it is divisible by 1 and that number itself. In step 3 we have to check whether the number is divisible by any value. If it is divisible by any value then it is not a prime number, else it is a prime number. Try it yourself. If not, you will get the solution in the downloadable PDF. So keep learning, keep coding. See you in the next video.